Hello traders. In this video, we are taking a look at an expert advisor called the Ronin EA for MetaTrader 5. It's a specialist robot that's designed to trade only two instruments, XAUUSD, which is gold, and USDJPY. The developer is very clear that it is not a do everything bot. It's meant to be a focused time-based strategy that aims for long-term consistency rather than flashy overnight gains. So in the next few minutes, we'll go through what the seller claims, how the strategy is supposed to work, the key features and settings, and then I'll walk you through my own backtest results and give you a realistic verdict on who this EA might be suitable for. But before we dive right in, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so what exactly is Ronin EA supposed to do according to the developer? As you can see, first, Ronin is marketed as a time-based professional trading tool. As you can see, it's a time-based strategy with discipline. That means it's built around specific times of day rather than just blindly reacting to indicators on every tick. The description says the internal logic has been developed and fine-tuned specifically for gold and USDJPY. As you can see, gold and USDJPY, and is meant to execute a disciplined strategy inside a daily trading window. The total attaches only to the XAUUSD 1 minute charts, and from there it will handle both XAUUSD and USDJPY automatically in the background. Alright, so I'm just going to expand this a little bit more so we can see it more clearly. Alright, the big selling point is the risk profile. Developer emphasizes no martingale, no grid, no averaging, no AI, no BS. Right? So they're clearly trying to distance this EA from the usual high risk martingale and grid systems that can generate pretty backtests but blow accounts when conditions change. Instead, Ronin uses fixed percentage risks per trade with automatic lot size calculation, and the trades are handled within that daily window to avoid swaps and long-term runaway positions. Another key part of the logic is trade management. The EA relies on a trailing stop mechanism rather than stacking trades or hedging. Alright. Because it's time based and intraday, the GMT offset becomes central to how the strategy behaves. You need to tell the EA what your broker's several time is relative to GMT so that it can line up its internal trading window with the correct sessions. Most brokers are GMT plus 3, which is why that's the default. But if you're using a GMT plus 0 broker, you have to adjust it. Alright, so it's very important, as you can see. It's written clearly over here on the developers page. So lots of the strategy's edge, at least from what's described, seems to come from trading at specific times where the developer believes gold and USDJPY have a repeatable pattern. Finally, the overall promise is that this is a long-term consistent EA, not something that will double your account in a week, but something that's meant to grind out returns over time with controlled risks, using just those two instruments and a disciplined time approach. Right, so for the recommendations, you can see we have here run on a low spread ECM broker for best results. A VPS is highly recommended to ensure the EA runs 24/7 without interruption, and then is advised to test on a demo account before live trading. As for the key features, you can see no risk of blowing the account. Like I previously said, you will never see high risk strategies like greed or martingale. Advanced risk control, the lot size for every trade is automatically calculated based on the fixed risk percentage of account balance you define. You have total control over your exposure. No swap fees. The EA automatically manages all orders and positions within a daily window, preventing runaway trades. Lightweight and efficient. No chart clutter, no lagging indicators, just clean and fast execution. Alright, let's take a look at some of the screenshots from the developers backtesting. So you can see the equity curve over the period looks pretty smooth. I think we have from 2020 here to 2025. So a period of 6 years. and the equity curve over the period looks very smooth, very progressive towards the upside. And we're going to check how that measures up to my own personal backtest to see if it's actually in line with what we have here on the developers page or if it's quite different. All right, so for the period, the initial deposits from the developer was $10,000 and the total net profits was $200,000, $200,330 to be exact. The gross profit was $655,095. The profit factor was 1.44 and the balance drawdown maximum was 8.45%. All right, so let's check how this. All right, the total trades taken were actually 2,835 trades. So let's quickly check how this holds up with my own personal back tests. I'll quickly go over 25. All right, so as you can see, this is my XAU USD charts on the 1 minute time frame, and the backtest period was for a year from 2025 April 1st to 2026 April 1st. And let's take a look at the backtest results for an initial deposit of $10,000 rather. All right, so as I previously said, the initial deposit was $10,000 and the total net profits for the year from April 1st, 2025 to April 1st, 2026 was $7,168. The profit factor was 1.19, and then the balance drawdown maximum was 13.27%. All right, let's look at the graph, the equity curve. So it kind of looks a little bit different from what we have on the developers page. You can see there's this initial drawdown before it goes up a little bit, even with the little dips here and there, but it starts progressing over time. And then it still has these dips you can see, but overall, it looks like the equity curve is trending upwards, even if there are the minor dips here and there. All right, so it looks good. Not exactly what is displayed on the developers page, but I'll say overall, it looks like it's pretty decent with pretty decent gains over the 1 year period for the $10,000 initial deposits. Okay, the numbers look good, not magical. A profit factor in the 1.4-ish area with a 60 something percent win rate is perfectly fine, but it doesn't give you a huge buffer once you introduce real world frictions like spread, widening, slippage around news, and occasional VPS or broker issues. Alright, so who is the EA actually for? It's for traders who understand that an EA is a tool, not a money printer. If you're comfortable with the idea of a time-based intraday system on gold and USDJPY, you're willing to keep risks per trade moderate, and you don't mind taking the time to set up the GMT offset correctly and test it on demo first, then Ronin might be an interesting option to add to your portfolio. You also need to accept that performance will vary by broker and that live results will never match the backtest perfectly. Alright, let's just return to developers page. Alright, so who should probably avoid this EA? Anyone looking for a plug and play or set and forget robots that magically doubles accounts with zero drawdown should probably avoid it. If you hate tweaking settings, if you're not comfortable checking your broker's several time, or if you can't handle normal drawdowns, then this EA will likely frustrate you. To wrap up, Ronin EA comes across as a relatively honest, non-martingale, time-based robot focused on gold and USDJPY with a sensible risk framework and a realistic backtest profile. It's not high beats and it's not a holy grail. It's just a structured, systematic approach that might work for traders who know how to handle EAs properly. If you found this breakdown helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe if you want more no-nonsense EA reviews like this. And let me know in the comments which expert advisor you want me to test next. And don't forget, if you want to grab that free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 with built-in indicators and candlestick patterns, the link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.